met with Hiro, our guide, for a tour away from the main tourist spots. The tour was as described, and Hiro was great fun and showed us around the local area of Setagaya. This small neighborhood is away from many of the main tourist spots but accessible by the metro. My bar hopping experience with Hiro was outstanding. From the very beginning, he was welcoming, friendly, and easy to talk to. The meetup point was clearly marked and conveniently accessible by train. Our first stop was a classic old-school izakaya. The drinks and food were excellent. It was my first time trying a new long tall, along with a variety of pork and chicken dishes, all flavorful and satisfying. Afterward, we strolled through the neighborhood and visited a local shrine. Hiro explained the customs and traditions, and we even got to participate, which added a meaningful cultural touch to the evening. Next, we headed to a modern and bustling izakaya. The atmosphere was lively, and the dishes were diverse and delicious. Hiro patiently answered all our questions and shared insights into each dish, deepening our appreciation of the experience. We then visited a building with a rooftop view that offered a stunning panorama of Tokyo's vast metro sprawl. Nice quiet moment of reflection amid the night's energy. Our final stop was a street-side bar with a vibrant, stall-like vibe. It was packed with locals enjoying their evening, and the energy was infectious. Hiro took us to places I never would have found on my own. He was engaging, knowledgeable, and genuinely fun to be around. This was hands down the best bar hopping food tour I've ever done. It felt like hanging out with close friends while discovering hidden gems across Tokyo. This was a truly amazing experience. Not only do you see a completely different side of Tokyo and learn interesting background information about the various places you visit, but it's also a great opportunity to connect with locals and other travelers. Plus, the food in the izakayas is absolutely delicious, and the tour guide is a really cool and friendly guy. I highly recommend this tour, especially for people traveling alone in Tokyo who want to make connections. He took me to several izakaya to try some special dishes. Every izakaya was amazing to me, and his personality was also great. He was so kind. After eating, he took me to a tower with a beautiful night view. That really impressed me as well. I can truly recommend this experience to others. We started the tour with a great rooftop view. It really helped me understand where we were and where we'd be going. It made the city feel more connected and exciting. The bar area we visited had a fun, street stall vibe that reminded me of a lively night market. It was full of energy and charm. Our guide took us to places I never would have found on my own. Each spot felt authentic and welcoming. It was a perfect way to explore Tokyo's nightlife like a local.